this is Harvey J from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video we're gonna do a comparison. We can show you which phone can start the game faster or gaming performance faster than another. We have Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra and we have Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So this is battle between two Ultras. The games already I have downloaded. First we'll start with Subway Surfer 1, 2 and 3. Loading, let's see. Okay, in Samsung S20 doesn't appear no ad. Here appears one ad. So I close this ad. I will tap to play. In this you see more things, here you have less things. So let's see which one is start here. In this case both are similar, okay? So I don't see any difference between starting velocity. I will close both of them. One more time to test which one is faster. Check anything is open or not. Nothing is open here. I will start from here. Let's see. From this door, from here. 1, 2 and 3. Let's see. Loading. S22 is little bit faster. They are very identical. Okay, let's tap to play and let's try to play a little bit. Let's try with another game, guys. Let's see. The first time opening this game, Pool, I never been played. I only downloaded in both phones. Let's see. 1, 2 and 3. Loading both of them. In this case S22 is little bit faster. This is notable, guys. I put as this the both phone. Here we go. Now play as a guest. I will hit same time. Let's see. Connecting. They are connected with the same internet. S22 is faster. I hit start. So S22 is the winner, but very small margin. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.